Hutchinson Manufacturing is a third-generation custom metal fabricator. What that means is we don't have a product ourselves, but we work for a wide range of customers in a wide range of industries, and we perform welding, forming of metals, cutting metals, painting, machining to close tolerance. We do assembly work, both pneumatic and hydraulic.
I left my last job and came here. The big thing that drew me here was actually the benefits. The health insurance and stuff like this is almost second to none anywhere near here.
So I started at Hutchinson Manufacturing as a welding supervisor, and I've been here about 1.5 years, and I am now the Director of Operations.
There is room for growth here in HMI. I am kind of a product of that. I started out 10.5 years ago as a welder. My ultimate goal is to make it to the Blue Co, where you do all the setup, and all the best blueprint readers are in welding are at the Blue Co, and then they moved me into a supervisor role.
The type of employee we're looking for is a safety conscious employee first, and then an employee that has a base level of skill, but a willingness to learn. I'd say the most important thing we're looking for is a willingness and ability to learn.
And they'll do and give you whatever you need to make that possible. If there's something you feel like you could do better by having this piece of equipment to make it cleaner or safer, there's no questions asked. They're here for you and they'll get it for you.
A good employee for HMI would be someone that has good attention to detail and has just a positive attitude.
You'll set your own wage by how hard you work, the skills you bring, and your dedication. This place is not afraid to pay people very, very well.
I believe Hutch is a good place to work because, this is one place that I've worked at that you actually feel comfortable at, and they make you feel needed.
We have a wide variety of jobs at Hutchinson Manufacturing. Some of them are entry level because in addition to the technical work we do, we also make products that are less technically demanding. So people have an opportunity to come in and grow their skills here if they're interested in doing that, and we support them through education in-house, through on-the-job training, through mentorships, and also if people choose to take any classrooms education outside of HMI, we pay for that through our education reimbursement program.
HMI has a lot of the newest and technology available. Everything from a 3D laser projection system in our weld department that helps us with layout to the newest CNC machines. One thing that's a little different about here is the size of the parts we manufacture. So we can fit up to, say, 20 to 22 tons in our machining centers. And that's not something that you're going to see in a whole lot of places.
They have the CNC machines, the plasmas, everything's pre-cut. Makes it really nice work, especially for a welder's point of view. It takes a lot of the work out of it.
So over the last few years here at Hutchinson Manufacturing, we've made some changes to address some of the market demands. We've noticed that we can't be heavily reliant on one industry or the other. So we are in about 4 or 5 different industries right now. So it's rare that we ever see a downturn in one industry affect the workload of the shop as a whole. If you're looking for a career where craftsmanship is important, where learning all the skills necessary to become a good welder or be a good machinist, this is the place to work.
The only limitations you have here when it comes to success is only the ones that you put in front of you. This company will do nothing besides stand behind you and push you to be better at what you're doing.
So you owe it to yourself and to your family to grow your career. Hutchinson Manufacturing offers that opportunity, and it's something you should check out.